in Pennsylvania, Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 93 has been issued from 6:35 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York. National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, western Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Big Spring State Park, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Mount Union, Brenham, Belleville, Milroy, Highland Park, Hagertown, Strodes Mills, Reedsville, Juniata Terrace, East Waterford, Alpharetta, Reeds Gap State Park, Blacklog, Belltown, Parallak, Walnut, Seven Mountains, Mifflintown, and Mifflin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Juniata and Mifflin. Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Paramount Long Meadow, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waynesboro, Wayne Heights, and Rouse until around 8:30 p.m. Mont Alto around 8:40 p.m. Carroll Valley around 8:50 p.m. Ortana and Cashtown around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include McKnightown, Fairfield, State Line, Quincy, Penn State, Mont Alto, and Liberty Mountain Resort. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 0 to 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and Franklin. Thunderstorm warning for East Central Franklin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Scotland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Walnut Bottom and Pine Grove Furnace around 8:50 p.m. Newville around 9 p.m. Carlisle, Plainfield, Blossomville, Slusser, and Mount Holly Springs around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Penn State Dickinson School of Law and Shippensburg University. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 209 to 231. Interstate 81 for mile markers 18 to 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland and Franklin. Northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gun Canyon, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Buffalo around 9:20 p.m. Millersburg around 9:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Liverpool, Harrisburg, Halifax, Pillow, Enders, and Dauphin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin and Perry. For Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, North Central Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Eastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Creamer to near Port Trevorton to near Elizabethville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Berwick, Sunbury, Shamokin, Milton, Mount Carmel, Sealands Grove, Danville, Northumberland, Coltmont, Elyasburg, Fairview and Ferndale, Riverside, Trevorton, Shamokin Dam, Catawissa, Elizabethville, Marshallton, Hummel's Wharf and Mifflinville. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Milton-Williamsport and Muskoka exits, specifically for mile markers 212 to 247. This includes Interstate 180 for mile markers 1 to 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall